This is a 3D printer, and these are my 3D printed Lego bricks. This is my prototype. They're a little tiny. Yep, these are the tiniest Lego bricks you've ever seen. I mean, they look like normal bricks for a Lego minifigure. That is wild. And yeah, they don't connect. They, yeah, they don't connect. But that's weird. They actually connected a little bit, but not supposed to, usually. And I think the actual ones connect. The same ones connect to each other. Those ones were 2 millimeters by 2 millimeters, and the bigger ones were 2 inches by 2 inches. So yeah. And I moved on to make my school's 3D printer and made this. This one originally had 2 of the green ones, but I lost it on the way home from school, so I made 2 of these, which as you can see they line up perfectly, but they don't really go together well. You have to push them down to get them to stick a little bit. Yeah, I feel like I've gotten them to do it, but now they're not doing it. So yeah. And here's the same design, but on my Bamboo Lab A1 Mini, to the part I showed at the beginning. So yeah, honestly, these 3D prints are insane. And yeah, I'm going to show you the scale of these compared to actual Legos in a second. This is, oops, this is the first attempt with the 2x4 brick compared to the mini 2x4 brick. Yeah. Yeah, it won't work. And yeah, it won't work for any of these. But would these connect? Well, no, they're not close enough. The ones I made that I can't find would totally be closer. I made a 2x4 like this. I got the same filament because these are on the same printer. What about 2x2? You think that'll work? Let's see. I accidentally launched it. That's not what I meant. From the prototype 2 millimeter blocks to the 2 inches blocks to the current 2 inch block, 3D printing Legos is a good idea, and I enjoyed it.